Hi guys, here 5 plus 3 is 8 times, here in bracket 2 power 3 minus 4 divided by 2 minus 1. Here 8 times, the bracket is 2 power 3 is 8 minus 4 divided by 2 minus 1. Here 8 times, this bracket is 8 minus 4 is 4 divided by 2 minus 1. Here 8 times 4 is this 32 divided by 2 minus 1. Here 32 divided by 2 is 16 minus 1 equal to 15 is the wrong answer. As per this order of operation, this 15 is the wrong answer. Here we are going to introduce this PEMDAS rule from order of operation. This is a bracket, higher priority, this is the exponent. This is M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. Here multiplication divisions are equal priority. Also this addition subtractions are equal priority. For this equal priority, we are going to introduce this left to right rule in the problem. Now we are going to solve this problem in correct way by using this order of operations PEMDAS. Here, as per this order of operations PEMDAS, the bracket is higher priority. So we have to do this bracket before any other operation. So 5 plus 3 times, the bracket here is 2 power 3 is 8 minus 4 divided by 2 minus 1. Here 5 plus 3, the bracket here is 8 minus 4 is 4 divided by 2 minus 1. Here we have addition, multiplication, division and subtraction. Here next priority is multiplication and division. Multiplication divisions are higher priority than this addition and subtraction. So we have to do this multiplication division before this addition and subtraction. Here multiplication divisions are equal priority. For this equal priority, we have introduced this left to right rule. Here left to right is 3 times 4. So we have to do this 3 times 4 before any other operation. So 5 plus 3 times 4 is 12 divided by 2 minus 1. Here we have addition, division and subtraction. Here division is higher priority than this addition and subtraction. So we have to do this division before this addition and subtraction. So here 5 plus 12 divided by 2 is 6 minus 1. Here 5 plus 6 is 11 minus this 1. Here 11 minus 1 is 10 is the correct answer.